side are you on? You're either with the humanists and no circumcision and the dog bar mitzvahs and the fake conversions and the fake tefillah and the fake everything, or you're 100%. You're going to have to make a choice. Either Torah is real or it's fake. It's either 100% real or it's fake with 99% truth. But it's still fake. It's either true or it's false. You're going to have to make a choice. Hashem is making it easy for us. Because the Rashaim and the Reform and the Conservative and the Humanist and the Restructionist and whatever other names they have every other day, He's making it obvious. And even the Orthodox that call themselves real, but in reality they're just Haman in disguise, He's making you see them also. Why? Because they're the ones that are signing letters against Kiruv. They're the ones that are taking CDs to help people do tshuva instead of giving it to people to do tshuva, instead of supporting, bringing the rabbi to help people do tshuva, publicizing it, or at the very least being quiet and not getting in the way. What do? They take the CDs, they break them. They throw them in the garbage. They publicize a bad name against the rabbi. Because chas v'shalom, someone will tell the kehillah the truth and help people do tshuva. So if you're looking for the truth, as it says in the book of Deuteronomy chapter 4, if you look for me, you'll find me. If you look for me with all of your heart and all of your soul. If you're looking for Hashem, you're looking for the truth, Hashem is making it easy for you. Don't come to me when the Mashiach comes and say, oh, I didn't know. You knew. You knew that being given bar mitzvahs to dogs is not in the Torah. You knew that you can't go against Kiruv. You knew that modesty is very important to Hashem. You knew that there's nobody in the Torah wearing a wig. You knew. It's not some mystical thing. Lo b'shamayim. The Torah is not in heaven. It's here. You have it in front of you. Read the book. It's in there. Commentary. Make it easy for you. You don't even have to know Hebrew. You can eat your English, Spanish, Russian, whatever language you want. Don't come with the Mashiach, oh, I didn't know. You knew. Everyone knows. Everyone knows. You have to make a choice. Who's your God? The one of Am Yisrael or the Satan? You have to pick. And that's what people have to understand. That it's, people say, wait a minute. They came to Rav Wasserman, Zecher Tzadik Livracha. He said, Kvod Rav, is it true that all of these people that are not following the Torah are going to go to Gehinnom? All of them. It's the majority of the world. And Rav Wasserman wasn't exactly known for yelling and screaming. You know, he's a man of truth, but he was an old man already at that time. Yes, Kvod Rav, is everybody going to go to Gehinnom? Really? Smashed on the tables. Of course. Better they're going to go to Gehinnom. What do you mean? What kind of question is that? What is it like, he says? It's like you're walking around in the desert. There's no food for miles. There's no water for miles. There's nothing. Your next door neighbor is a scorpion and the other one is a snake. Both of them want to kill you. And all of a sudden you see a castle. Brand new castle. Middle of the desert. You go inside the castle. Everything is beautiful, clean, brand new. Immediately you see a kitchen with all amazing food and cakes, apple and chicken and steaks, and everything is fresh and hot. All ready. And right next to it, the plates are made out of diamonds. So you help yourself to a couple of diamonds in the pocket, and you help yourself to an apple, and then a steak, then an ice cream, because it's parv, and this, and that, and all of a sudden there's a hand that grabs your shoulder. Hey, 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 what are you doing here? Who told you could eat this food? Who told you could be in this castle? He's like, oh, what do you mean? It was here. I didn't know anybody owned it. They throw you in front of the judge, say, listen, this thief just went into the castle and started stealing the king's food. So the judge asks you, what were you thinking? What were you thinking going into the king's castle and stealing his food and diamonds on top of it? And Rav Wasserman says, when the fool says, I didn't know anyone owned it, the judge will punish him twice. One for stealing and one for his stupidity, for thinking that it all came from nothing. The castle came from nothing. The food is warm without anyone cooking it. The ice cream didn't melt and it's waiting for you only without nothing from an explosion. That's another reason you go to the Gehenom. What Wasserman said this. You knew. You knew the dog is not supposed to wear tefillin. You knew you're not supposed to drive on Shabbat. You knew. Mashiach comes, you can't say I didn't know. Can't say I didn't know.